Welcome back to my channel. My name is Great. So if you are new here, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to change a touchpad, a touch screen calibrator, as some people might call it. So this is Note 4. I'm going to be changing the touchpad, so I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you unscrew the screws, take off the back cover, unclip your battery. This is your battery clip and this is your touchpad clip. Unclip it. Then the next step is you set your rework station. This is your SMD rework station. You set the air to be at minimum and the temperature to be at 281 degrees Celsius. Then you heat evenly. You heat the touchpad, the old one, the broken one, with the rework SMD station. Before then, you need to look for a flat material that you can use to bring out the touchpad. Either you use razor, but most time razor blade to crack the screen. So it's preferable you use a light rubber material. Now I'm heating the touchpad evenly. This is a light material used in separating the touchpad. You heat evenly. You heat evenly. Make sure the heat go through in 15 minutes. After heating, I'll make the video so short so that it won't take much of our time. After heating, the next thing is to remove the old touchpad. That is the old touchpad that is not working. Then you heat out the remaining glass that is left on the phone. Carefully remove it with a razor blade so it won't harm the screen. Now then you buy a new touchpad. This is a new touchpad. You can get it in the market by calling the model number of the phone. Now you pass it through that hole. That is the hole provision for touchpad. You place it. The first thing you do before gumming, you need to test it if it's working well. Now you want to test the touchpad to see if it's properly functioning. Clip it to the panel. That is the clip. You clip it to the panel. Then this is your battery. You clip it to the provision of the battery, the space. After clipping it, then you switch it on to test run the touchpad if it's working. Now it's on. We'll leave it for it to boot. Now it has booted. Then you test it on, draw the pattern, that is the security password. It's open. You slide down. That is how to test. If it's sliding, then you go to your keypad. This is your dialing pad. Then you type all the numbers to make sure all the numbers are typing very well. Try cancelling it. Then try minimizing. Go to your home button, back to see if they are functioning. Then go to message. This is a message keypad. This is a message. So try typing all the alphabet to make sure they are functioning very well. If they are functioning fine, then you remove the touchpad and use an alcohol. I'm using an alcohol, a spirit. You can use an alcohol so that you clean the dirt on the screen. You understand? You clean the dirt on the screen. Carefully clean it with an alcohol. You can use a spirit, you can use fuel, any of your choice, with an alcohol, and you use a light material in getting the alcohol. Then after cleaning, you get another light material in order to clean it very well for it to look nice in the eyes. After that, you make sure everything is clean. Now after that, you apply your gum. This is the model number of the gum, T700. That is the model number we'll be using. This is the gum, the black gum. So you apply evenly, you rub it around, then you put the touchpad. After testing it before you apply gum. Now after applying the gum, you band it with rubber band. Band it up carefully so that the glass won't break. Band it down. Be careful and don't over tight it so that it won't crack the inner screen, the inner LCD. Now, after banding, you're good to go. Your phone is working perfectly. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I remain great. Till next time, bye bye for now.